in the morning we had a meeting.
Yeah.
We had a meeting with Mr. Budiman.
And
It's such a good news for us because finally we know what we will do and the progress of our journey, our experience to teach.
It will be
share our
started
knowledge.
soon.
We will start it soon. And where are we going? Right now?
And the another good news, Mr. Budiman will be our sponsor for going to
Pacu Jalur.
Pacu Jalur. So at the time we discussed with Miss Email. Miss Email invite us, guys. Let's go for this weekend. What happened?
The lipstick in my eye.
Oh yeah. So Miss Email invite us for going to the Pacu Jalur place, and we said that is that true? Is it are you sure? Of course. Kayak Miss Email tuh bilangnya kayak yakin aja dulu. Kalau aku sih, apa katanya? Kalau aku sih yakin, bisa atau enggaknya lihat nanti gitu.
Yeah.
So and we discuss how will we go there, and we get the thing that if we use the the car of the school
car.
it will be impossible because the student will or the student or the teacher will use the car for going to somewhere for their activity yang lebih penting dibanding kami pergi menonton kegiatan Pacu Jalur itu. And awalnya we want to rent a car, and I will be the driver, or we invite Mr. Fauzan to drive the car. And surprisingly for this morning, Mr. Budiman,
Yeah, when we
try.
We tried, and actually we asked us, when you do this Sunday, you can go anywhere, guys, before you starting your stressing
busy.
your busy days later. And then we shared that you want to watch Pacu Jalur, and then we say that there is a little problem, Mister. There's
we
about the
have,
transportation, and then he asked about what about the school car, and then we thought that it's kind of impossible, and then okay, and then he tried to call Mr. Fauzan, like like on the spot. Okay, Mr. Fauzan, this is emergency, please come here, and then asked about like the rent the car. So we got the sponsor, that is Mr. Budiman.
Because actually Mr. Fauzan will go with Mr. Budiman to Harau for preparing anything for our program. But Mr. Budiman said, okay, let me go alone. Mr. Fauzan will accompany us for that event. So, and Mr. Budiman ran the car is rent by Mr. Budiman for us.
So we didn't have to
Spend money for rent the car.
rent the car. So it was such a good news. And then right now we are in Kanama Cafe to do our to-do list today, that is making proposal.
This was the 4th times we go here, right?
Yeah. Oh
Yeah,
yeah, the fourth time.
the 4th time.
This environment makes us more productive.
Sudden productive day.
It's a productive day because
Yesterday
the past days we didn't have any activity to do, which is
we just attend the night.
yeah, a night English club.
Yeah, night English
And then
club.
yesterday was the exam day, so there was no much activities last night.
We supervise and we control them for doing the examination. And everything was what is that? Everything's ran well yesterday, and
Okay, then
and wait. After we discussing the rundown. The opening will be the presentation part, and we will be presenter.
yeah.
So
This one is actually like
what do you think?
one of an experience for me
Yeah.
because we have to like a speaker, like you have to do motivational speaker, like what Mr. Food did to us in BEC. So that's one of our apa ya, role model ya, role model to have this presentations or presenting the program that we will do later in ICBS Payakumbuh. And somehow for me myself it's kind of nervous because I do remember the last time I had such a big event to speak in front of many people, especially the important people there in ICBS Payakumbuh. And somehow it's kind of burden myself because I came from Kamingres Pare. So I need to prepare more. We have to prepare it more because it's they will look for us because we are the teacher there, we are the supervisor there. So we want to perform it well, to presentate and then to try to explain the programs, and we hope the program will run well.
But I will not tell them that
I will not tell them.
I graduated from BEC or something. No, I just want to introduce myself as me.
That's right.
And hello everyone, my name is Yati. You can call me Miss Yati, only that.
That's right.
I will tell if they ask
Privately,
me more. I will tell them. I learned English when I was in Paris or something. But if no one asks me, I will not tell anything. So I will.
So we have to keep it secret.
Yeah.
Because it somehow to keep our apa ya?
Image,
image, to keep our image. Yeah.
And also my background. I came from electrical engineering something. I will not tell them as long as they don't ask me. I will not tell them. Bismillah, because I used to be oversharing. Yeah.
For you,
for
you have to be careful with that. But me too. If there's someone or there are students that easily close with us, and then be comfortable to share something to them because they have intention to ask us many questions. So we just like we share, and then we just realize, wait a minute. That's a fun. That's actually pretty fun. But in a big event or in what is it called? I really, it's just really hard for me to mention the istilahnya. Pokoknya when
the big audience.
The big audiences, we will not try to share our backgrounds with something. That's it. And then
the last time I do the presentation was when I was in when I was the business presentation.
Business presentation.
Yeah. The last time I did the presentation was business presentation, and the last time I did speaking in front of many people. It was morning speaking, I think. Yeah. The debate topic, and at the time before BEC has the debate. What's that debate program? No, they have the debate program. But before that, morning speaking only debate tapi yang belum terkonsep gitu. Jadi kayak the teacher asked for coming forward, and I just wait for my friend. Kalau misalkan nggak ada dari temen ya kan kan dikira Iris mana Iris, udah finally aku maju ke depan. Nah, it was the last time I do the speaking in front of many people.
For me, because this one is different, it's like we are having a business presentation. It's like we are offering them, we invite them to join our program. It was when I was in BEC. But for the other event that I have to speak in front of many people was like I was an MC. An MC just like reading the rundown and then just have a little bit ice breaking. That's not really that complicated lah ya.
Formal way.
Yeah, informal way, and it was not really complicated because the important people wasn't there, so I wasn't felt nervous at all. But this one I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous because
Yeah,
it's
we
like
are,
you have to
we are
open it.
invited as the tutor.
Yeah, but it was such an honor experience here for us, yeah, for myself because
Last night, do you still remember when the student asked you, Miss, can you describe this day? And when they do the examination, Yeah.
what do you mean?
I mean, what do you feel, or what will you do if they ask you and you don't know the thing that they ask you?
Or like the vocab.
Yeah.
So, for example, this one, the strumming. Strumming is guitar. Actually, I don't know what is strumming. So,
Okay.
but because strumming is cut, maybe like I just give the gesture.
The
Strumming is like
gesture.
this, and then I check. Oh ya benar. Strumming is like memetik senar,
yeah.
but I don't tell them the exact
The exact
word,
meaning.
the exact meaning in bahasa or to translate in bahasa.
What if you don't know at all?
What if I don't know and you have to look the other word in that sentence.
No, only that word.
Oh, only that word.
Like translation, and you don't know.
Okay. How do I say?
How do you
what's the
handle that moment?
other- Oh,
Someone, the student asks you, Miss, how do you say this one in English? And you don't know. How do you handle that moment?
at the time,
Yeah.
or last night, or any
moment, yeah, any
situations.
situation.
Okay, now because it was with junior high school, so I was like, okay, now that's your challenge. What about let's try to ask the other students? Maybe your friends know about it. So I just like give, like give or melempar.
Yeah.
Like melempar to other students while they are asking to the other student. I try to look for it.
Yeah, okay.
That's how I do it usually. Because somehow the smartest student in the class know more.
Yeah, that was happened. At the time, one of the student in the 7B asked me, Miss, how to say, what is examine? I forget.
Examine.
Yeah, examine. I forget at the time. But examine, how do you say check? Tapi gak mungkin check gimana ya? And then Kiandra came and examine. Oh, okay, examine. Okay, thank you, Kiandra. Okay, thank you, Kiandra. And I write in the what's that, in the sticky notes that I gave him. Thank you for reminding me if I don't know something.
That's good. Yeah, that's
I mean like
also one of
kayak mengakui, maksudnya kayaknya nggak salah sih kalau mengakui kalau kita ada yang nggak kita tahu.
Yeah, it's actually telling maybe because we're not teacher yet. Somehow because I don't certify myself as a teacher, so I just tell them that guys, I'm a tutor. I'm also learning, so we are learning together. Somehow you know more about the lesson, so you can share it because sharing is caring, and then you, learning you can learn by doing. You know the apa ya?
Learning by doing.
Learning by doing or no? Teaching is one of the technique
For learning.
for learning. Also,
Active learning.
teaching is active learning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Teaching is active learning. I remember Mr. Fu said something like that. So yeah. But somehow there was situations where I because the whole class was crowded, and then there are many students ask me what is it. I don't know what is the bahasa. So wait, let me search. Let me search. And then because at the time was they are making pidato, they are making speech, and then there is like bahasa Indonesia atau English that I don't know. Apa ya kira-kira ya? Maksudnya dalam istilah atau expression yang harusnya ada in English, not translate by one gitu loh. So okay, I will help you with let me search. But maybe because the situation is bahasa to English, but English itu bahasa, somehow I just lempar. What is lempar? Lempar to other students.
So the conclusion is it's okay if you don't know something.
Yeah, it's okay to do it because not like learners.
Iya. Maksudnya dibanding kita sok tahu gitu
Yeah,
kan.
that's not gonna apa ya, menurunkan our title as a tutor or supervisor.